Come test drive the 2023 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.